This entire vocal was created by AI, and it sounds like this.
I wrote your name in lines of blue, words I'll never send to you. Pages filled with what I feel, empty spaces never heal.
I've used almost every AI music tool out there, but Sonado AI is on a different level. It sounds real. It sounds emotional. It's crazy fast. Just type your lyrics, pick a style, and in seconds you have a track that sounds like a professional vocalist sang it. Whether you want rap, pop, R&B, or even Afrobeats, this thing delivers. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I made that demo, how the tool works, and how you can use it today to create full songs with nothing but your ideas. No experience needed. Let's get into it. First things first, open your browser and go to Google. Type in Sonado AI, or just click the link I've left in the description box below. It'll take you straight there. Once you're on the site, scroll down a little until you see this logo. This is the official one. Click on it to open the platform. Now you'll see a simple interface with two options, login or sign up. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, don't worry, it's free. You can sign up with your Google account or your Discord account in seconds. Once you're logged in, it takes you straight to the Sonado dashboard, and this is where the magic happens. Right away, you'll see a list of songs already created by other users. These are great if you want inspiration or want to hear what this AI is capable of. Scroll through and play a few. You'll be shocked at how real they sound. Alright, once you've explored the homepage and heard some samples from other creators, it's time to create your own music. This is where the real magic begins. You'll see, Start Your Masterpiece, boldly written. Below it you'll notice two options. Simple mode, Advanced mode. We're going to start with the simple mode first. Why? Because it's the fastest and easiest way to get results, even if you have no experience writing lyrics or producing music. With the simple mode, all you need is a short description, a prompt. You don't need full lyrics. You don't need to know music theory. You just describe the vibe you're going for, and Sonado AI does everything else. Let's do one together so you can see how it works. I'm going to type this prompt. Create a modern pop song with heartfelt lyrics, clean male vocals, acoustic guitar bass, and a memorable chorus. It should be intimate, emotional, and professionally mixed. Now let's click Generate. Once you hit Generate, you'll see the system start processing. Give it a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed and the complexity of your prompt. And just like that, it's ready. And guess what? It doesn't give you just one, it generates two different versions of your song, so you're not stuck with a single option. You can compare and choose the one that sounds best to you. Let's listen to the first one together.
Hold on to me when daylight fades. I need your warmth to light my way. Every word you say feels like hope. Don't let go.
Wait, nah, are you hearing this? No way, this is AI. The voice, the feeling, bruh. Wow, I'm not even joking. This sounds so real, the clarity, the mix, the emotion in the voice. It's actually insane. Like, this is something you'd expect to pay a studio engineer for, not just click a button and boom, here it is. Now let's check the second version.
Hold on to me when daylight fades. I need your warmth to light my way. Every word you say feels like hope. Don't let go, don't let go.
Okay, this one is groovy. Compared to the first one, this is definitely more upbeat. The first was calmer, more emotional. This is more lively. Now you see why I love that it gives you two versions. This is quality. Now, beyond just giving you two amazing versions of your song, this AI tool goes even further, and what I'm about to show you is next level. You'll notice that below each generated song, Sonado automatically creates tags for you. Things like AI music creator, emotional pop song, male vocal AI, vocal synthesis. These tags are super useful, especially if you want to upload your music to YouTube. You can literally just copy the tags and paste them in your video description or metadata. It helps with SEO so that people searching for those kinds of songs can actually find your video. Like, this is so dope. I've honestly not seen any AI music tool that does all of this in one place: generate lyrics, vocals, music, and even help you get discovered. Sonado is seriously built different. But the most insane part for me, and I need you to hear this, is that Sonado even creates a full video for your music, with the lyrics animated on screen. Yes, if you don't want to shoot a video or make an expensive visualizer, Sonado has you covered. To do this, just go to the song you like, click on the three dots beside it, then tap Get Video. Now give it a few seconds or maybe a minute and boom, you'll see it processing and creating the video for you. Now look at this, are you seeing this? The music is playing and the lyrics are showing line by line on the screen. It even gives you a beautiful background image and clean text animation. It looks like something you'd pay a motion designer for. Once the video is ready, just click on Download Video and you can save it straight to your phone or PC. Now you have a full music video, with lyrics, ready to post anywhere: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you want. Honestly, this tool makes life so easy for music creators. It doesn't just stop there. If you only want the music without the video, that's totally possible too. You can download just the audio directly into your phone or PC. And guess what? It gives you different audio formats to choose from: OGG, WAV, MP3, FLAC, and even MP4 if you want the video. It all depends on your preference. Personally, I'll go with MP3 because it's light, high quality, and works with almost any music player. So I just select MP3. Click Download. And that's it, the song is now saved on my device. This AI tool didn't just generate a song for me, it gave me a complete music package: lyrics, tags, video art, and even multiple audio formats. Like, what more could you ask for? Now, let's head over to the advanced option. This feature is perfect if you already have your own lyrics. Maybe you're a songwriter, a musician, or just someone who wrote a deep verse in their notes and wants to bring it to life. This is where the magic happens. First, click on Custom Lyrics. Now go ahead and paste your lyrics into the box. After that, it's time to select your styles. This is where you shape the sound. Is it a hip-hop song? An Afrobeat vibe? Something emotional or chill? Whatever your style is, just type it in. If it's not listed, it will show as a custom tag once you enter it. Add multiple styles if you want the music to reflect your exact mood or vision. Once you're done selecting your styles, just click Generate. Then give it a few seconds or a minute to cook, and boom! Just like before, it will generate two different versions of your song. You get to listen to both, compare, and pick your favorite. But here's the real sauce. If you want to level it up even more, turn on Fancy Mode. This setting takes a bit more time, but trust me, it gives you an even higher quality result. The vocals sound richer, the beat hits harder, and everything feels more polished. When I tried it, it didn't even take long. Just switch it on, click Generate, and give it a moment, and your two upgraded versions will be ready. Let me play this one for you so you can hear it yourself.
Don't stay me. Don't come of us.
Wow, you can hear how clean this sounds, right? This is professional studio level quality created completely by AI. Another thing I found really interesting and honestly mind-blowing is this. You can generate a song in the style of your favorite artist. Let's say you want your music to sound like Ed Sheeran, or maybe Burna Boy, or even Adele. This tool lets you recreate that vibe. All you have to do is type it in. For example, I wrote, generate a sweet romantic pop ballad with soft acoustic guitar, emotional piano, and warm male vocals in the style of Ed Sheeran. Then I hit generate, and guess what? It worked perfectly. Now, this is something you cannot do with Suno AI. If you try typing an artist's name in Suno, it'll instantly give you an error like, please remove the artist's name. But here, this tool doesn't block it. It actually allows you to use the artist's style to shape your song. And the result? It sounds surprisingly close. Let's go ahead and listen to both versions that were generated. You'll hear how the vocals, the melodies, the vibe, all capture that Ed Sheeran feel.
Hold me now with gentle hands. Let the world just fade away. Every word you softly say.
Can you hear this? This is so close to the real thing. So after listening to the first version, you can hear it. It really sounds like the artist's voice, but tailored to the exact style of music you want. Once you're happy with the result, just go ahead and download your music. But wait, there's more. Another amazing feature this tool offers is the ability to create just the beat, no vocals at all. This is perfect if you're creating YouTube videos and need background music. Want a clean instrumental version to sing over? Or maybe you're making content for TikTok, Reels, or podcasts. Here's how you do it. Just select the instrumental only option. Enter your prompt, like upbeat Afrobeat with drums and bass. Click generate. Boom, it gives you a high-quality beat, with no lyrics, no vocals, just pure sound to add to your background or use however you want. Let's listen to one now so you can hear what I mean. You can see how this one sounds. It's giving that calm aesthetic vlog vibe, right? Like, seriously, if you're into those calm, chill, cinematic vlogs where you're walking through a street market or showing your morning routine, this is perfect to use as background music. Just drag and drop it into your video, and boom, your content instantly sounds professional and cinematic. No stress about copyright. No need to hunt for royalty-free tracks, just type a simple prompt, and this tool delivers something clean and unique, made just for you. And guess what? You can generate as many as you want, so if one doesn't match the vibe you're going for, just tweak the prompt and try again. So go ahead and download your music, use it however you want. And the best part? When you land on this interface, you'll notice something shocking. No credits. No upgrade buttons. No. You've used up your limit alerts. Nothing. Just pure freedom. This tool is 100% free, and honestly, it beats Suno AI hands down for me. Let's be real, it doesn't even sound robotic. Unlike Suno AI, where you only get 50 credits a day and once it's done, you're stuck till the next day. Here, we kept generating and generating and generating, and it never told us to stop. No errors, no interruptions, no drama. Just results. This might just be the new Suno AI or even a better version. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. You can also check out my previous videos where I made full AI music videos with dancers and more. All part of my tutorials to help you grow your faceless AI-powered channel. I'll see you in the next one.